Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your NoiseCanvas smartwatch to your phone. First, ensure your NoiseCanvas smartwatch is fully charged, ideally to 100% and powered on. Next, download the official Noise Fit app from your phone's App Store, either the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app and create an account or log in if you already have one. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth connection process. Enable Bluetooth and location. On your phone, navigate to your settings and turn on Bluetooth. Also, ensure your phone's location services are activated, as many smartwatches require this for proper pairing and data synchronization. Keep your phone and smartwatch close to each other, within a range of about 1 meter, to maintain a strong and stable connection during the pairing process. This proximity helps prevent any interruptions. Pairing your device. Within the Noise Fit app, tap on the Add Device or Pair Device option, usually found on the home screen or in the Settings menu. The app will then scan for nearby NoiseCanvas smartwatches. Select your specific smartwatch model from the list that appears on your phone screen. You might see a pairing request on both your phone and watch. Confirm it on both devices to establish the connection. Final steps and troubleshooting. Once paired, your NoiseCanvas smartwatch will synchronize with the app, updating time, date, and any pending firmware. If you encounter issues, try restarting both your phone and smartwatch. Ensure the Noise Fit app has all necessary permissions, including Bluetooth and location access. If problems persist, consult the user manual or the app's help section for further assistance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.